Auman Platform Truck is the special developed and manufactured heavy truck products aiming at the transportation requirements of highway short-distance loading. The safety, economics, and reliability of products meet the logistic transportation requirements of multiple users. Safe. Auman Platform Trucks is improved for reducing the weight. The vehicle is reduced the dead weight with enhanced load-bearing capacity, thus being called the economic transportation experts. The sun visor avoid the dazzling sunshine, hurt the eyes in operation, so as to make the driving more safe. Big camber frontal windshield widen the view of drivers in all directions, effectively reduce the blind area, so as to make the driving more safe. Use advanced cathode electrophoresis painting process with high brightness of paint and corrosion resistance and being not easy to rust. Extensive application, high transportation efficiency. Use Steyr Technologies 13 tons dual reduction rear axle with rim reduction and shock welding and cast axle case, thus the load-bearing capacity much higher. The cargo of Auman Platform Truck is up to 8.6 meters long. Additionally, a plurality of purposes innovation of vehicle can be carried out, including oil tanker, crane, wrecker, refuse truck, gas tanker, and so on. Use fully synchronized transmissions, combined design of main case and front, rear auxiliary cases, twin countershafts with small volume, lightweight and high efficiency in power transfer. It is easy and flexible to shift with small volume and high drive efficiency. 240L large volume alloy tank meets the transportation requirements of medium and short distance. The 12.00 R20 radial tire shall be equipped anti-sliding and piercing and strong road holding ability, meeting the requirements for the economics, reliability, safety and high-speed driving of loading. Humanized design for repairing. Be equipped with the 3-level step for the driver to get on and off the vehicle, embodying the humanization of design. The front face panel of cab can be opened, which is easy to regular inspection and maintenance. Use hydraulic dumping cab with the dumping angle up to 59 degrees and use the rack safety lockup mechanism so as to provide big enough safe room for the maintenance of engine. The door of cab uses seal bar to enhance the sealing of cab so as to effectively reduce the noise in the cab. The maximum opening angle of door is 90 degrees for the driver to get on and off the vehicle. Comfort driving. Adjustable airbag damping seats is comfort for driving without fatigue after long distance. The adjustable steering wheel can be adjusted forward and backward with plus or minus 5 degrees and upward and downward with 25 millimeters. Match with the circular cab, meeting the operational habits of human body to operate easily. The sleeper uses alloy frame with light and good rigidity and the width of up to 600 millimeters, which provides wide and comfort rest room for drivers. The high-quality air conditioner is arranged electric controlled, simple and convenient, automatically control temperature, so as to provide the comfort work temperature for driving. High reliability and oil saving and durable. Mainly equipped Weichai or Cummins engine with the horsepower of 270 to 300 PS with high reliability